Elias, at 6 years old, was an extraordinary child. Unlike his peers, he didn't play with cars or dolls. He preferred the world of books and electrical wires. He loved to spend long hours in front of the computer screen browsing scientific websites and conducting simple experiments in his room. One sunny day, Elias decided to visit the public library. He was eager to discover new books in the world of technology. He wandered between the shelves, his eyes shimmering with excitement, until he found a book about robots. He sat in a quiet corner and began reading with passion. He imagined himself building a small robot that could help him with his homework. When Elias returned home, he went straight to his small workshop. It was filled with tools and small electronic devices he had collected over time. He began assembling the parts of the robot he had envisioned, using the book he had read as a guide. After hours of continuous work, he succeeded in building a simple robot that moved and made sounds. Elias felt indescribable joy. One day, as Elias was wandering in his garden, he noticed the strange behavior of ants. He observed that they followed straight and precise lines. He remembered what he had read about artificial intelligence and wondered if ants possessed some form of intelligence. Elias decided to conduct a simple experiment. He built a small maze out of cardboard and placed a piece of sugar at the end. Then he put some ants at the start of the maze. After a short time, the ants succeeded in finding the sugar. Elias was sure he had discovered something important. Elias decided to share his discovery with his family and his teacher at school. He made a fantastic presentation explaining his experiment with the ants. Everyone was astonished by his intelligence and curiosity. His teacher encouraged him to continue his research and study, promising to help him develop his project. Elias continued his journey filled with discoveries. He became a member of the school's science club and participated in many scientific competitions. Every time he achieved a new success, he felt overwhelming happiness, realizing that the world of knowledge had no limits and that there was always something new to learn and discover.